Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative aspects of Bitcoin, its ability to level the playing field and promote true financial equality. We'll explore why our current system keeps us trapped, how inflation and dollar debasement disproportionately hurt the most vulnerable, and why Bitcoin is the solution we've all been waiting for. Let's get into it. Understanding inflation versus dollar debasement. Let's start with a distinction that's rarely discussed: the difference between inflation and debasement. Inflation is often described as a normal economic event, a slow and steady rise in prices, but what we're experiencing today is far beyond inflation. It's currency debasement. Here's the truth: the US dollar is losing value, not because of natural economic cycles, but because the government and central banks are printing more money than ever. In 2020 alone, 22% of all US dollars in existence were printed. When new money floods the system, it doesn't get distributed evenly. The wealthy, corporations, and banks, those closest to the money printers, benefit first, while the average consumer is left with rising prices and stagnant wages. This is known as the Cantillon effect. Bitcoin changes this dynamic by offering a currency that is immune to manipulation. Its fixed supply of 21 million ensures that no one can debase it. In Bitcoin, your purchasing power can't be stolen, it's preserved. How inflation hurts the most vulnerable. Inflation and dollar debasement hit the most vulnerable the hardest. When prices rise, basic necessities like food, housing, and healthcare become harder to afford. Meanwhile, those with assets like stocks, real estate, and even art see their wealth grow as these assets rise in price to keep up with inflation. But what if you're living paycheck to paycheck? What if you don't have access to these investment opportunities? You're left holding devalued dollars while your cost of living skyrockets. Bitcoin gives everyone access to an asset that can't be diluted. It's an inclusive system where anyone, anywhere can start saving and preserving their wealth, no matter how small their initial investment. So, why Bitcoin is the key to financial equality? Bitcoin democratizes wealth in a way that's never been possible before. Decentralization: Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government, corporation, or individual. It's truly money for the people. Accessibility: anyone with an internet connection can participate, whether you're in New York or Nairobi. Transparency: every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, eliminating the secrecy and corruption that plagues traditional finance. Fixed supply: with only 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist, no one can print more and steal your purchasing power. Imagine a world where everyone has an equal shot at financial stability, regardless of where they were born or their socioeconomic status. That's the world Bitcoin is building. The path forward: opting out of the broken system. The current financial system is rigged. It rewards the wealthy and punishes the poor. But Bitcoin offers a way out. By adopting Bitcoin, you're not just protecting your wealth, you're participating in a movement that prioritizes fairness, equality, and individual empowerment. It's time to stop relying on a system that was never designed to work in your favor. It's time to opt out. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, here are some tools to help you get started with Bitcoin. River Financial is the most trusted Bitcoin-only exchange. It offers full proof of reserves, ensuring your Bitcoin is secure and not lent out. You can use the Fold app to earn Bitcoin cashback on everyday purchases. Get 20,000 sats for free using my referral link when you make your first purchase. You can use the Strike app to buy and send Bitcoin easily. Use my referral link for reduced fees. You can use Ledger to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. Use my referral link below. The most important thing is to start small, stay consistent, and secure your financial future with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more than just an asset, it's a tool for financial freedom and equality. It gives everyone a piece of the pie and levels the playing field in a world that's been tilted for far too long. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with someone who might find this interesting. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.